This video is about how to create another Pinterest account. Now, to add another account on Pinterest, you need to go to settings, then tap this button to start creating a new account. And on this next screen, you can create a new personal or business account, and you can use an email address or a Facebook or a Google account to sign up for an account. And to sign up with Facebook or on Google, you just need to allow Pinterest to access your Facebook or on Google account. And to sign up with an email address, you need to enter your email address, then you create a password and enter your age. The next thing is to select your gender, then you pick your interests, and your new Pinterest account will be ready. And after creating your account, you can go to settings and edit your profile and make other settings, including security and privacy settings. And you can tap this plus button and add a website, photo, and bots to your profile. And below here, you can see your notifications and messages and search for something on Pinterest. And you can also save pins and share your account. And on settings, you can always switch from one account to another. And to delete your Pinterest account, you need to go to settings, then account management, and go on to delete your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.